Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use data tools for executive reporting. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by identifying the key metrics and information you want to present in your report. Gather relevant data from various sources to ensure comprehensive coverage. Choose the right data tools that align with your reporting needs. Consider tools like Microsoft Excel, Google Data Studio, or Tableau based on your familiarity and the complexity of your data. Import your data into the selected tool, ensuring it is clean and formatted correctly. Next, create a clear data structure that makes it easy to analyze. If using Excel, utilize pivot tables to summarize your data effectively. For visual tools like Tableau, start by connecting your data source and dragging relevant fields into the workspace. Design visualizations that highlight key insights, such as bar charts, line graphs, or pie charts. Pay attention to color schemes and layouts to make your report visually appealing. Incorporate filters and interactivity if your tool allows, enhancing the user experience. Add annotations and labels to clarify complex data points. Once your visuals are ready, compile them into a cohesive report format. Review the entire report for accuracy, focusing on clarity and coherence. Gather feedback from stakeholders to ensure the report meets their expectations. Make any necessary adjustments based on feedback to improve the report's impact. Be prepared to present your findings in a meeting, summarizing key insights and answering questions. Finalize the report and distribute it to relevant stakeholders for their reference. Continuously seek to refine your process with each reporting cycle for improved efficiency and effectiveness. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.